In Chapter 2.3, we are going to discuss the main organ for transpiration. Transpiration is a process of water loss in the form of water vapor through evaporation from the plants to the atmosphere. Even though the transpiration process takes place through the stem and flower, 90% of water diffuses out stomata pores in the leaves. Water diffuses into the root system by osmosis continuously. Firstly, roots absorb water from the soil, and the xylem transports water upwards in the plant stem. The leaf veins transport water to the leaves, and water evaporates to the atmosphere through stomata. Plant roots absorb water and mineral salts from soil. Allows water absorbs heat energy from leaves and evaporates as water vapor to give cooling effect. Transpiration produces a pulling force that moves the water and mineral salts continuously in the xylem vessels from the roots to all plant cells. There are 4 environmental factors that affect transpiration rate. These are light intensity, air humidity, temperature, and air movement. Now, we will look at how light intensity can affect the transpiration rate. Light affects the size of stomata opening on the leaf, which affects the rate of transpiration. During the daytime, the stomata open wide and increase the rate of transpiration. During the night, the stomata close, and it reduces the rate of transpiration. The higher the light intensity, the higher the rate of transpiration. The lower the light intensity, the lower the rate of transpiration. Now, we will look at how air humidity intensity will affect the transpiration rate. The lower relative air humidity of the surrounding atmosphere will cause the water vapor escapes from the stomata faster. Therefore, the rate of transpiration becomes higher. In summary, the lower the relative air humidity, the higher the transpiration rate. Now, we will look at how temperature can affect the transpiration rate. The higher the temperature, thus, increases the transpiration rate. At high temperature, rate of evaporation increases, causes water to evaporate from the mesophyll cells in the leaf. When more water vapor diffuses out of the leaves through the stomata into the atmosphere, which causes the rate of transpiration increases. High temperature will cause the kinetic energy of water molecules increase, hence, water will diffuse faster out of the leaf. A rise in the temperature of surroundings will increase the rate of evaporation, thus, increase the transpiration rate. Now, we will look at how air movement can affect the transpiration rate. The stronger the wind, the higher the transpiration. High temperature will cause the kinetic energy of water molecules increase, hence, water will diffuse faster out of the leaf. When the air is still, transpiration makes the air around the leaf moist. The water vapor builds up and increase the air humidity. Thus, the transpiration rate decrease. A windy day will cause the moist air around the leaf blown away, making the air less humid. Thus increase the rate of transpiration. This is the end of Chapter 2.3, Main Organ for Transpiration.